Hi guys, Sam here, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a pretty cheap arc reactor that actually lights up and looks similar to what's seen in the movie. I designed the arc reactor to clip onto a Donjoy back brace, and that is because it's for a very special guest, so make sure you watch all the way to the end to find out who that is. With that being said, let's get started. For this project, you're going to need to buy a power source, and I actually end up modifying these to work with 9 volts by the end of the project, but I would still recommend buying these for the higher amperage because I don't think a 9 volt battery could sustain these LEDs. Next are the LEDs, and you can get any G4 LED bulb, but I went with these ones because they're available on Amazon and they have a good value. Next are these 1 meter DC jack extender cords, and if you're really concerned about saving money, these aren't absolutely necessary. You could solder in your own wire and shield them yourself, but it made it really convenient for me and it was a perfect length. Go to the Thingiverse link in the description to find all the print files. I actually included a step file of the mount plate in case you want to modify it to mount to something other than a back brace. Import them all into your favorite slicer. The color of filament shouldn't matter for this project except for 2 parts. One is the reactor casing, which needs to be printed in black, and the next one is the LED casing, which needs to be printed in white. Once you have all the parts printed, you need to seat the LED bulbs into the LED casing. Make sure you take a look at the wiring plate to see which way the leads need to face. Once you are done, slip the wiring plate on over top, and then take all the leads and bend them down into the appropriate channels. Once you're done this, it's time to move on to step 4. In this step, you are going to be wiring all the LED connections. After you have cut an end off of one of your DC barrel jack extender cables, strip the outer casing off with enough length to reach up to the top LED lead. I used a knife, but you could use a pair of wire strippers or your favorite wire stripping tool. Once you have the shielding cut off, seat the wire in the channel and make sure it is the correct length. If it is too long, you're going to want to trim it off, as we don't want extra strands sticking out. Seat the positive wire in its respective location. Now take some extra wire, and if you don't have any, you can steal some from the other DC jack extender. Rely on the wiring channels to tell you what length to cut it at, and then solder everything in place. I used a few dabs of hot glue to keep all the wires in place and keep them from pulling out while I soldered them. I found this really helpful and I would recommend it. Continue wiring until you have everything wired up correctly. I would use a multimeter to test continuity between all of your leads and make sure that nothing's shorted out before applying power. Take your wired light assembly and seat it snugly into the housing. It should snap in with a little bit of force. I had some issues with the clips breaking off, but I have since iterated the design and that's not an issue anymore. Once it's fully seated, seat the wire into the clip to make sure that it doesn't strain. Once you're done, press the mount plate on and clip it all together. Now you're done with the project and you can enjoy.
Oh, well hello Sam, from Sam's Designs.
Hi, Blue. From Cubeorithms.
What can I do for you today? Also, how did you get into my apartment?
It's not important. What's up?
Well, I made this nifty contraption.
Whoa, that looks amazing.
Yeah, what do you think we should do with it?
Well, let me tell you about it. Hello, viewers of Sam. I'm Blue from the channel Cubeorithms. And this is Sam.
From Sam's Design.
From Sam's Designs. So this arc reactor project is for Red, who is the other part of my channel, because he recently broke his back doing this. Youch.
So we thought to lift his spirits a little bit and make him feel a little bit better about the back brace that he has to wear for 6 weeks, we'd build him an arc reactor to clip right onto the front of it.
It's gonna look super dope.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
So it would be super awesome to be able to put like the giving it to him and seeing it in the video, but he is bedbound and in a broken back brace, and he doesn't really want to be broadcast to the internet like that, so we'll give it to him in private.
So whether or not we can show Red in this video, we know that he'll enjoy this, and it was really fun making something to lift his spirits a little bit. I've actually never met the guy, but he seems like a pretty cool dude.
He is a pretty cool dude.
I had a ton of fun building this, and I am going to put the designs out in the public. So if you guys want to build this, feel more than welcome to, and let us know in the comments who's better, Iron Man or Captain America.
It's definitely Captain America. No doubt in my mind.
Iron Man builds stuff.
Captain America is nice.
Sometimes. He went back to live with Peggy. She already had a husband.
Well, she got the husband. That's an endgame spoiler.
Can't put that in the video.
No way. But
People won't subscribe.
I'm gonna stop the recording. We're gonna talk about this thoroughly and deeply.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
Hey, what's up, guys? That was the video about the arc reactor. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Sam right now. He deserves it. He makes good videos. And if you like 3D printing and you like cool stuff like this, you should subscribe. This is coming from me, and I'm like a celebrity YouTuber. So, bye.
Hey guys, how's it going? Turns out we did get a short video and a picture from Red of him wearing the reactor. So enjoy those right now and stay tuned for some really ridiculous bloopers. See you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, hey Sam, from Sam's Designs. What's up? Well, it's not important. That's pretty neat. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Oh no! Stop it. Ah! No!
Hey, guys, what's up? That was the video. Thank you. No! Dang it!
Oh no, it came undone again. Dang it! That sounded louder in here.